Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Nate, oh my god, that PKM! Nate, I'm taking
Hostile
over
dropping into
lobby
the
with
area.
that-
Watch the sky.
Nate, swag in this lobby. Charlie, with a rush down.
Enough practice. Time for the real thing. Battle Royale. Gas is approaching your position. Move to the safe zone.
We going all the way out of circle. I disagree.
Let's go, Bob. Get ready.
We go there if you want to, Anthony. I was just playing.
Okay. Does anyone need it?
Here, locate.
Vehicle here.
Resupply.
Disregard.
Anthony, you know me. I'll play with you. You know.
All right, lads. Let's get it done.
Everybody know who I am. So.
Moving.
I'll play too much. Look, bro,
Copy
Nate didn't know I play too much. I don't know why he talking. I almost definitely troll Nate so much. He like Marshawn, man. Like I'm like, cause he's like,
The target area. You don't have long.
Nate asked me like, Marshawn, let's get the last scavenger. I'm like, sure. And then I was like, nah, I don't want to let you get it. And then I'll open the scavenger, cause the statue will be in there. I'll open it. He's like, bro, you play too much. Cause he think I take the statue. Like, bro, you play too much. Nate and Tristan is my favorite people to troll. I'm like, his enemies here? Nah, I can't lie. Tristan called me a couple times with that. I give him that. He like, enemies here? Never mind. Just called me a couple times. Right, that's all I'm saying. He's like, no, I'm seriously, enemies here. Nah, I'm just saying. I'm like, dude.
I'll drive.
Let's get load out, y'all. Load out.
Bender here if you need equipment.
Marking a buy station.
Oh, yeah, let's get to the heli. Let's get to the heli. It's somebody here, I think.
On the move.
Or I don't want it, so. Shout out to Rockstar.
On the stick.
Contract's done. Your payout limit has increased.
I'll drive. Helicopter here.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I'll go.
Stop! Swap!
On cash.
No! Where the money extra 30 bob? Oh, alright.
Loadout drop inbound.
Stay away. Do not land on the roof. He's coming back. I think he's coming back.
Gas is moving.
I'm gonna get a free show.
I'll drive.
That was such a great deal. A UAV and a self-revive.
Does anyone need this?
Found cash here.
I don't want that $2,000. You broke.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I got way more money than you. I got way more money than you, boy. Way more money than you. Like, you broke as hell. I got a UAV, so I mean, one of you guys will have to grab it.
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
Why is there such a
Get to
difference
the safe zone.
between having no?
Vendor located.
I can fly.
I'll drive.
Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate. What you doing, Nate? Come on, man. What? What's going on? You want me to buy UAV? I'm asking you, do you want me to buy UAV? Because I didn't know if you wanted me to do that.
On the stick.
All right.
Patty cake, yeah. Patty cake, Baker Smith, yeah. Yeah, that rhyme, yeah. Yeah.
Contract complete. Recon intel secured.
Yeah.
Does anyone need this?
Stop.
Time to send out some recon data.
Go. Come on, Nate.
I'll drive.
The stick.
Actually, you drive with me. I'm going to put up the camera. I mean, whatever.
Enemy UAV overhead.
You got it, Nate? I mean, if I call you,
Got
Nate,
cash
one more
money
time.
here.
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
I'll drive.
Yeah,
Moving.
man. I'm getting pissed off myself because I'm keep
Copy
telling him,
that.
Nate. See, Nate, yeah. I'm done with Nate. Yeah, Nate, you gotta stop. I gotta stop playing with you, bro. I don't care that you my favorite duo. I gotta stop playing with you, bro. 'Cause every second I'm Nate. What's up, Nate? What's up, Nate? Hey, buy station. Got him. I'm good. I got a UAV if it comes to that.
I can fly.
He had a big bag, man. I'm sure I should come down. And he had to revive both of his teams. He only revived one. So that means that one team that had a difference. He had an advanced UAV.
Primary
Do
objective.
some recon.
Recon
He had
intel
an
secured.
advanced UAV. I didn't know he
UAV
could pick up
entering
an
the
advanced
AO.
UAV,
I can
now.
take the stick.
Let's go.
Oh,
He
shit,
had an
deploy.
advanced UAV.
I'll drive.
Bro, I don't care. This has to be one of the
Be
dopest
advised,
things they ever
UAV
done.
is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
No, I have an advanced UAV. That's what I'm telling you.
Gear located.
Oh,
Loadout drop headed your way.
that's something I didn't know. I did not know. I did not know I could do that.
I can take the stick.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
I can fly.
Come on, guys. Let's get searching.
Does anyone need this?
All right.
Yo, Anthony, hop in, Anthony. Yo, Chuck, you just got on there.
I'll drive.
I can fly.
Come on, Nate. Come on, Nate.
All right.
Gas is moving.
Put it all in place. Put it in place. Anthony, I think I'm gonna come back and pick you up. I don't want to leave.
Contact! Under fire!
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
Come on, Nate. We gotta go. We gotta go, Nate. We gotta go right now. There's people shooting at us.
On the stick.
Somebody just popped the load out, Nate.
I'll go.
Right here, Nate. Right here. I down one, Nate. Nate. That's the clip. For sure. Where my phone at? I just wrecked both. Nate. When I tell you this PKM is, what happened? Oh, wow.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nate, I'm not gonna buy a UAV because I have an advanced one. So,
Gear located.
I mean, he got another UAV right here.
Here's some gear.
I mean, UAV ahead. Nate, should I put the UAV on the floor right there in front of me?
Contract complete. Recon
Get me
intel.
recon.
UAV entering the AO.
I'll drive.
Both of them stuck, first of all. I just want them to know.
Gear located.
I mean, you don't automatically kill somebody if you stick to it.
Move to the next area and secure the perimeter.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
On the move.
Where's the Molly, man? I'm trying to get hot.
Moving.
Primary objective
Okay.
accomplished. Recon intel secured.
Ooh, I'm finna get caught on storm. No shut, I don't. Damn, Tim, I'm in there. I don't got a gas mask.
Gas is
Anyone
moving
need
in. New safe zone located.
Let's get this buy station up here. Hold up, y'all. Let's get this buy station.
Moving out.
Wow. Ooh. Why you got your man? Let me show my OG. You going on the book? You going on the book, bro? I got a picture, bro. You more on the book, bro. Anthony, buy yourself a ride. Anthony, buy yourself. Wow, bro, I'm not trying to get that, bro. I'm still on time.
Hold right.
Ain't gonna get no blue.
I found the vehicle. I'm moving.
They're on the move.
I'll drive.
Hello.
Gas is inbound.
Come on, Nate. We need to go. We need to go. I'm pretty sure there's people in this building.
I'm moving.
Man, that heli would have been up to me.
Enemy contact!
I should have bought an armor box.
Get to the safe zone. Moving. Here located.
Moving.
I say that's the best position. Great market.
Here located.
Yeah, go green market. Go green market. Most wanted.
Bounty target has been marked. Kill him.
That killer in your head better be out
Target
there.
here.
Hey, full squad.
Hostile target here.
Oh, wow, fourth wide. It was a fourth wide. Dude.
You're in the gulag now. Fight to earn redeployment. Win here and you return to the front line. You lose, your fight is over.
Man, that was a
Yeah, you
fourth
kick
squad
their
thing.
ass. Stand by for redeployment.
Y'all killed them? Please tell me y'all killed them. Let's go! Don't worry about it, because I'm going to come back and kill him first.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Moving.
Yo, let's buy another loadout. Anthony, buy, Nick, buy a loadout. I need those. Nate.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Should I pop the vans?
Friendly recon is up.
Copy. Advanced UAV entering the AO. Scanning for hostiles.
I down bounty.
Tacticals here.
On the side of me.
Be advised, advanced UAV is bingo fuel. Returning to base.
I got him.
Bounty target is down. Well done.
Moving.
Friendly recon is up.
UAV entering the AO.
Friendly UAV overhead.
Let's go. We going on the killing spree right now.
Be advised, UAV
Friendly's
is
in
bingo
the safe
fuel.
zone.
RTB for
Safe.
resupply.
Better now.
It's the armor box over there, Anthony. Yeah, damn.
Small
I mean, look at the money we
Gear
got. We good.
located.
It don't matter. We good. Look at the money we got. Nate, we gotta win this game, Nate. I'm making this a video. He in the air. I think about popping.
Found cash here.
Yeah, I could pop this one to buy another one, honestly.
Could use some recon.
UAV
Mine.
entering the AO.
Yeah, put some. It's over there, it's over there. Oh, over here, right here. Nah, I don't see nothing.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Yeah, Nate, watch that door right there. Nate, somebody needs to watch this door, honestly.
I see an assault rifle.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated.
There's people
Enemy
back there.
UAV overhead.
Moving.
I'm moving.
Friendly loadout drop on the way.
Nate, it's 3 loadouts landing over here. Where I load out at?
Movement here. Target here.
Everybody got a satchel, right? Where you shooting at, Anthony? Where?
Hostile target here.
Close?
Small caliber. Disregard. Disregard.
Yeah, I see one.
Gas is closing in.
I got
I'm
sniped.
taking rounds.
Anthony, come pick me up.
We're in the safe zone. Watch your
I've
correct.
got you.
Perfecto. Back in action. Get me recon.
Moving
UAV
here.
entering the AO.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah, he sniped me. He the one who sniped me, Nate. Oh, he go proximity mine right here. I'm gonna place it right here.
I'm moving.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for
Enemy UAV overhead.
Yeah.
You've got gas inbound. Safe zone relocated. There's less than 10 to go. You can win this.
Enemy located.
Even though we got the same gun. Yeah, I know where. Nate.
Moving position.
You've got gas moving in.
Yeah, Nate, watch over there. I'm about to see if anybody shot them.
Friendly's in the safe zone. That canceled that.
They run across the wall right there. I got torch. Then he jumped out. He on me. Nate. on me, Nate.
Gas is moving in. New safe zone located.
17 meters. Right here, Nate. Right here, Nate. Let's do it. It's a foot far, Nate.
Moving here. Open here!
You've got gas moving in.
Moving here. Movement here!
He's a bullet, Nate. He's a bullet, Nate. He's a bullet, Nate.
I'm
He's a
hurt
bullet.
bad. All right, much better. Target down.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone. Only 5 remain.
He's a bullet. Nate, he's a bullet. He's got an armor, Nate. He's got an armor. Let's go. Easy. Let's go. Y'all suck. That's the dub right there. Ah, easy. I can't invite him. Oh, I can't invite him. I don't think he join this game. Nate, I was like, Nate, he's a bullet. Nate, he's a bullet. Because the R9 only had, when I shot it, it only had a bullet in it. So it only shot one bullet. Dude was low. I should have killed both of them. Nate, bro, that self-revive came in handy, bro. That gas mask, all